Why does that have to be changed? Just leave it. Y'all still concentrating. I did it.
Hi y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back. The school. This. Wait, what's your name?
Miami.
My dad is Miami, which is 19, and Golden State has 22. My dad is losing sadly, but he'll end up getting up.
Bro, I didn't even play for the first quarter.
Oh, he didn't play for the first quarter.
The first 2 quarters.
Thank you all for supporting my dad. Got the cool light over there again. Tell me when you're ready, Mom. That's the score. Thank you, y'all, for supporting my dad. Oh, y'all. 22-24. Winning by 2 points. Oh, hi, new viewer. My dad is playing 2K. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. The score right now is my dad is Miami. If y'all want me to give you a shout out, I can. If y'all need a shout out, I can always give you one. Hello. Welcome back. Okay. I think you should quit. I feel like you should get more viewers if you're winning. You have two. You have two now. Thank you for joining the live. If y'all want a shout out, I could always give you a shout out. It's 31-26. Golden State has 34, and Miami has 26. My dad is Miami. He's going live on YouTube. He only has 2 lives, but last night I got him a 77. Cool. Who's watching? I don't know. Who's watching? Sherlock Holmes. Press on it.